creating an About Us page on Wix. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to create an About Us page in Wix. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, just go to Pages over here and then just go to Manage Pages. And then once you're here, just click on Add Page. And then in here, you can either choose an About Us template right here, or you can simply create your own just by starting with a blank page. But for me, I'll just choose a template. So feel free to choose what kind of template you want to use. So for example, I'll choose this template over here, the professional template. And then once you're ready to add this template, just click on Add Page right there. And then it will now start adding your page. And then there you go. So in here, you can now start customizing your About Us page. So you can customize the description over here, change the font size, change the images, change more descriptions over here, and of course, edit in your team. So you can upload your team's images over here, their names, their positions, and their socials right here. So you can link their socials right here. And then once you're done, make sure to click on Save to save all the changes that you have made. And then there you go. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to create an About Us page on Wix. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.